Jay with iCar-stl.com, and today I am here with the 1992 Honda Prelude SI. If you love 90s Japanese cars, hit that subscribe button. If you love this car, give us a thumbs up. We work with 3 different lenders to help bring your dream car to your driveway. All of our lenders are listed on our website under the Financing Options tab. You can fill out the applications online and have an approval in as little as 24 hours. Let's quit wasting time and let's take a look at this beautiful car. I'm here with this 92 Honda Prelude. We're going to do a walk around of it. I'll show you some of the flaws in the paint. I'll show you the interior. We'll do a cold start and then we'll take it for a drive. This car has one of the coolest back seats I've ever seen on a car. When I was growing up in high school in the 90s, these were the cars that I wanted. This car is a 92 Honda Prelude. It is powered by a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine. Produces about 160 horsepower. It is a 5-speed manual transmission. Has 129,000 miles on it. It is a 5-owner, no accidents. There's very, very little rust on this car. It has leather interior, the original Prelude floor mats. It's got a power sliding sunroof and it goes over the top, which I really like these ones that do that. It's got newer tires on it. The interior is in excellent shape, mint condition. It's up to date, current on maintenance, had a fresh oil change, and it is ready for a new home. Let's go ahead and we'll do a walk around and I'll show you some of the flaws in the paint, and then we'll go to the interior. Alright, we'll start up front here. The black does show a lot of rock chips on it. I don't know if you can see them in this video here, but it does have quite a bit of rock chips on the front of the car. The black does have a good shine on it. Like I said, tires are like new. Wheels do have some scuffs on them and probably could be redone. It has a dent there and then a scuff there. Has a little bit of clear coat issues here on the back by the rear window. It's got a couple dents and stuff here. They blacked out tail lights. Does have aftermarket exhaust on it. Scratch there and a gouge there. The wing has some marks on them there. Tinted windows. The windshield is tinted as well. Has a little scratch there, and just a couple scratches up around there, and then a dent there. A couple scratches and a dent there. And then, like I said, it's got rock chips on it and stuff in the front. The sunroof has a mark on it right here, and it looks like it's a little bit of surface rust starting. It is not a glass top. It is a metal top that's painted. Interior is where this car is at. It is 100% mint on this car. Dash is in really good shape. Shift knob is in excellent shape. Everything looks great. Go to the driver's side. Got that Honda beep when the key's in there. Power mirrors, windows, and locks. The coolest thing is the back seat. It's got like a center console back here. It's kind of like bucket seats. The dash is cool on this as well. It is like part digital. You can see got an aftermarket JVC radio, heat and air conditioning, hazards are there. The cruise controls here. This is to close your top, your sunroof, and then to open it, you push that. This is your dimmers on. All right, let's do a cold start for you. All right, cold start time. Muffler's cold. See, temp, cold. Show you all the lights work and everything. Let's turn on the air. You can hear the compressor kick on. The air conditioning does work. Sounds like your typical Honda. Blinkers, headlights. All right, let's take her for a drive. All right, let's take her for a drive here. One of my least favorite things to do is drive a black car when it has snowed here in St. Louis, because there is crap all over the road, and this thing will be white when it comes back. I didn't show windows, so let's show windows now. This window works. That window works. Mirror, power mirrors work. Power mirrors. Air conditioning blows cold. It's a Honda. These things run forever. That is the emergency brake. Put that down. Radio does work. Clutch feels good, catches where it's supposed to, transmission shifts smooth, doesn't feel sloppy. 30 miles an hour, tires feel good, everything straight. We can ship any car for you. So if you're interested in this and don't want to take a plane ride down here, we can ship it to you. Just call us and we can get you a price right over the phone. Gear, fifth gear, doing 50. See the car's starting to warm up. Heat is blowing hot, feels good. This is a good driving car, nice smooth. If you wanted to fly here, you could fly here and drive it back anywhere. It's a pretty dependable, solid car. It's been well taken care of. These things are usually pretty beat up by the time they hit this age. Like I said earlier in the video, we do financing, or do work with some lenders. That's listed on our website. You can fill out applications online there and have an answer within about 24 hours. We do trade-ins too, or take trade-ins. If you have a trade-in, give us a call. We can get you a valuation right over the phone, or you can email us at the email listed on our website. That concludes the Honda Prelude video. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to call us at 636-543-8438. Thanks for watching.